Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update on Under Armour, ticker is UAA, trading on the New York Stock Exchange. In my opinion, we are very close to see here a potential rebound reaction for Under Armour. So I will let you know all the price levels here, and yeah, I'm waiting here for a very small final dip before I set my positions here. Of course, guys, this is my personal opinion based on the chart and not financial advice. When we see the chart from Under Armour, we can see that after this massive bull run, which we had here in 2015, we just coming down and becoming closer and closer to the all-time low, which was here or has been $1.49. So if we see where the all-time low has been and where we are right now, we're still trading here 220% above this price. I think, guys, Under Armour has a couple of spikes here in between, as you can see, which is very normal here for stocks. So even if the stock is tanking down in a long-term trend, yeah, that does not mean that we can catch here some squeezes. And I think we are very close to a price level where we could see a squeeze happen here from around 80 to 100%. We measure that here together. So guys, why do I show you that? When we see here the last setup for Under Armour, when we focus here first on the indicators, I start here with the RSI Ultimate indicator here. This is my own indicator, guys, which I created. And we can see that we had here a very nice setup. A powerful signal is the strongest signal which we can get in this indicator here. And what we had for Under Armour, we had a powerful signal in combination with a bull alert, which means a bullish divergence. So the price came down, the RSI went up, and that was right before Under Armour started to squeeze. So in that case, the squeeze was only 104%, but this is what I more or less expect here for this stock. We will talk about all the price levels, so please watch the video until the end. Then you can see that when the price came in the same area here, so around $6.66, there is some or has been some potential support. Under Armour had again one more spike, but I always try to think like a market maker, waiting for very clear signals. In that case, this move was 92%, and we can clearly see that here the EMA line, this is my EMA line indicator, guys, has been retested and the price came back down again. By the way, all indicators which I'm showing here in this video are available in the video description. So what is the situation right now? Now we have again a powerful signal here that was after this April shakeout here. Under Armour created this powerful signal and immediately responded here with a rebound. That was normal, guys. The market had its low in April 7, April 8, 2025. Under Armour started to rebound by almost 60%, but we have now the same situation which we had here back in May 2022 until October 2022. It's exactly the same constellation. We have our powerful signal, and now we are here, in my opinion, guys, in that situation here. This is what we have right now. So we have a bullish divergence. The price is not clearly lower yet, but that's why I say I'm waiting here for the final shakeout. We still, in my opinion, will see here a bullish divergence. The RSI will close maybe somewhere here. Then we have our bullish divergence, and that could be the beginning here of a move like this. Let's now talk about the price level. So I enable my drawings. By the way, guys, if you want to catch here some bigger squeezes than only 100%, I mean, Under Armour could squeeze higher. We talk about this now, but I always post here my short squeeze and breakout predictions on Patreon. We had last week a squeeze of 220%. This stock squeezed just a few minutes or hours after I posted this video here on Patreon. The stock started immediately to squeeze. I mentioned that also in my video that the squeeze can start right now, and that was a 220% squeeze play. Today I posted this ticker here, guys. We have some very nice squeeze range here. This stock can squeeze between 200 and 1000%, and the Squeeze Calendar Pro is predicting the squeeze here right now in the next 2 weeks of October. So if you want to see that stock, guys, then join us on Patreon. Yeah, full package membership, guys. This is where you get access to all my content. We have here a huge community on Patreon. Every day new members joining in, guys. So that is a very nice chance for you, yeah, if you want to learn about trading. So you don't not only get access to my short squeeze and breakout stocks, also here to my trading tutorials, member exclusive videos, and so on. If you want to join us, guys, the link patreon.com/blackbelttrader is available in the video description. So what are the price levels for Under Armour, guys? Let's switch now here to the daily chart. I think the RSI setup is very clear right now. So we switch here to the daily chart. So guys, and what I'm waiting for, we have here the situation that Under Armour has one open gap at $4.50. This is the gap indicator pro, where you always see the closest gap to the actual price, to the downside and upside. And I think since we are trading here in a trend channel pattern, it would just make picture perfect sense that Under Armour touch again the bottom line of this trend channel pattern. I will visualize that for you guys. This is this line here. So the last time when we touched this trend channel bottom line, we had this 60% squeeze reaction. And you can see that Under Armour is hesitating to touch it again. So in a perfect trading world, guys, yeah, we will come down lower, 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 touch this trend line here, close the open gap at $4.50. And that is for me personally the buying chance what I see for Under Armour. Always, guys, in this stock market here, we are very close to see a stock market crash or correction. You can find another video here about the S&P 500 on my channel. But I will work with a super tight stop loss below $4.40, because if we come much lower than that, then as I showed you before, Under Armour could tank even much lower here in the $2.80 range or even $1.60, where we have the next open gap. So keep that in mind. Just buy and hold or buy and hope for a squeeze is absolute dangerous, guys. Yeah, if there is no technical reaction here in that range, the bullish algo demand zone is between $4.95, $4.40. So we're trading right now in that zone, but we didn't touch this trend line yet, and we didn't close the gap at $4.50 yet. That's why I still haven't buy Under Armour here. My price goes to the upside. So what is the potential squeeze range? The squeeze range for Under Armour, so in a perfect trading world, let's say we close the gap, right? So then there is one open up gap at $6.59. Bull run trigger is $6.81, but in my opinion, we will touch the top line here of this trend channel again. So we have more or less a 100% squeeze play here for Under Armour. For everybody who want to see a bigger squeeze, in my opinion, squeeze trigger price is $10.68. So when Under Armour can manage it to squeeze out of this trend channel here, break $10.68, then we have much, much higher squeeze price targets. You can see that here in the gap indicator pro. We have here $14.06, $19.79, and so on. For right now, sorry for my voice, guys. Right now, you can see that we're just building here lower highs and lower lows. That's why there is a chance that we see a bigger squeeze. We have here some volume spikes in the chart, but as I said, this is here my trading strategy. So I would prepare to at least sell 70% of my positions here at $8.75. This is not financial advice. This is my trading strategy. It depends, guys. If there should be an unusual event and we start to just gap up here over these price levels, it's a different game. But we can see that the last time when Under Armour squeezed, we had here some very slow price actions here for a couple of weeks before the peak was in and the sell-off continued. So this is why I think there is a good chance to see here something between $6.81 and $8.75 for Under Armour. My friends, that was the quick and dirty update. I hope that was helpful for you. If you want to see more Under Armour updates, guys, please hit the like and subscribe button. We should bring this video at least above 200 likes. Then I know that you want to see more content like that. I thank you so much for your time, guys. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.